Do you need to double-check if a payout was done or lost a slip for a cash drop? Our Cash Management Transactions feature records all your function menu transactions and displays them on one screen for easy access and cross-checking. Please note that this only displays the transactions of the current collection. To make use of this feature, simply do the following. Log in to the point of sale using your unique access code or by scanning your fingerprint. Navigate to the Functions menu on the Sales Overview screen. Select the Cash Management Transactions function. The Overview screen displays the following information: date and time. Transaction type, for example, cash drop or received on account. Reference number or customer name. Employee that captured the transaction. Cash management group selected. Payment method. Applicable entity. To reprint a slip, simply click on the print icon.